CV-22 takes off vertically, and once airborne, the nacelles on each wing can rotate into a forward position. This vertical, self-deployable aircraft offers increased speed and range over other rotary wing aircraft, and can perform missions that normally would require both fixed-wing and rotary wing aircraft. The CV-22 Osprey is a tilt-rotor aircraft that combines the vertical takeoff, hover, and vertical landing qualities of a helicopter with the long-range, fuel efficiency, and speed characteristics of a turboprop aircraft. The Osprey adds new capability and fills a long-standing U.S. Special Operations Command requirement to conduct long-range infiltration, exfiltration, and resupply missions during night operations. The Osprey can cruise at 218 miles per hour and has a range 3 times greater than the MH-53J. It is also much quieter, thereby avoiding enemy threats.